Picture us rolling in a roach, yeah. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing all my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathy if you're new here. This video is going to be my most requested video, my makeup routine. Y'all, this video is super long overdue, and I don't know why. I actually filmed a makeup routine like a month ago, but I didn't like it. I didn't feel like I did my best work, so I didn't post it. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to take is my primer. So before my primer, actually, I moisturize my face. Y'all, it's 2021. If you don't put moisturizer and primer on your face, I don't know what to tell you guys, because your face is gonna look like, you know, not it. Like, you can't expect your makeup to be like flawless and you don't do the steps to get that, you know what I'm saying? So definitely moisturize your face. I don't care if you oily, like, I don't care. Like, moisturize your face, actually wash your face, moisturize it, prime your face, and then you can do your makeup. Because if you miss that step, like, it's sad to say, y'all, but I used to do that. I used to just put my makeup right on top of my face because I didn't feel like primer really made a difference, but it do y'all. It makes a difference. It makes a huge difference. So I'm going to take, oh my gosh, see y'all, it's just a lot of new steps that I need to share to y'all. So I am going to start with my face. I don't start with my eyebrows anymore, because the reason why I don't start with my eyebrows is because I don't know what it is, but when I do my eyebrows first, I overdraw my eyebrows, and I don't like that look. I don't like crunchy, bold look. I just don't like it. So I feel like me starting with my face, my foundation, and I do my eyebrows last, it kind of gives me some type of control and some type of balance with my eyebrows. I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna take my milk Hydro Grip primer, in this bottle. I actually just opened it. I love this stuff. This stuff is just like bomb. It's very tacky, so your foundation is like, you know, it's just boo. So I'm going to do this. Oh, it's so cool. Okay guys, so I am going in with my foundation. I am taking two foundation, one dark and one lighter. Well, this is not really lighter. This is actually like my primer, my foundation color. This one is just a darker foundation. The main reason why I am doing that step is because I got burnt throughout my neck October last year, and my neck is like a lot darker than my whole body. So with me going in with the darker foundation, I am able to like balance my face instead of putting the full lighter foundation. I'm just gonna look like a cast, and I'm not here for that. And I'm gonna go in with a brush. I usually go in with this brush, the Insta brush, or like a regular foundation brush, something like this. So it doesn't matter what type of brush you go in with, but I go in with whatever I feel like or whatever I see first. So I'm gonna take the darker foundation, I'm gonna put it like in the perimeter of my face. Definitely gonna need some more. as you guys seen, I just applied my foundation like the perimeter of my face. Well, I tried. So just because I just love this step so much better, because it just makes my foundation look so much flawless. The color is perfect, you know, it doesn't look strange. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty foundation, the hydrating one, and obviously the shade is lighter, and I'm gonna go in with the center of my face, but not really under my eyes, but just like right here. Just like that. I basically take like the extra foundation and I just kind of like blend everything out. I don't put like a lot of foundation on my forehead because, you know, you're gonna have that weird casty look, and I'm not really with that. Especially if you guys wear frontals, like you definitely want to just take the excess foundation and then just do it on your edges, because y'all know how frontals be like. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I had difficulties with my camera, so the next thing that I'm going to do is go in with my concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is the Tarte concealer, and another dupe is the e.l.f. concealer. The e.l.f., I love that concealer. For some reason I just can't find it, so I'm just gonna go in with my my Tarte, and I'm going to highlight my face. So I really like that new trick that everyone is doing, lifting your face up here, because I really need that, because, you know, sometimes my face could look very droopy and we don't want that. Okay, so now I'm going to blend everything out. And another tip that I like to do is just blend out the harsh edges of my concealer so that it could blend evenly with my foundation. And then another thing is you don't want to overblend. Like, you don't want to overblend. And I take the end of my beauty blender and blend the outer part of my concealer, because you don't want it to be very sharp. You want it to like blend evenly. So really the whole point is to blend, blend, blend. But I think you already know that. I still see when you don't overblend and you really blend like the edges of your concealer, you still see your concealer, like you still see the highlight. So I know you guys see the very bright highlight all throughout my face, because whenever you overblend, you're kind of defeating the whole purpose of, you know, highlighting your face. So you want to make sure that you're not over blending your concealer. So again, I'm going to take my foundation brush and blend the edges out once again. And I know I look crazy, but wait till I bronze my face. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Morphe brush setting bronzer, and this is like my favorite bronzer. Like, y'all could even see that it's like hitting the pan, y'all. Like, this is my favorite bronzer, and I am in the shade Trailblazer. I'm gonna list everything down below. The reason why I don't contour, because I don't like the way it gives me, like, I hate putting too much cream makeup because I don't want to get oily throughout the day, and it just make me look weird. I don't know. So I like to bronze instead. So if you guys change your method into bronzing instead of contouring, it's gonna change your life, I'm telling you. So I want a very high cheekbone, so I'm gonna put my bronzer like right here. And I like to just pat and pat so all the products could, you know, marinate. So I just like to bronze my face because it makes me look more even, like, you know what I mean? Like, it just makes me look more put together, in my opinion. My makeup just turns out very flawless. You guys gonna see the whole look of it when we're done. Yeah, I just got a new camera, so I'm still trying to work with how to, you know, work with my camera and everything. So if the setting, like the lighting is like off in one, you know, point of the video, it's not my fault, y'all. I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm going to take the same setting powder and I'm going to contour my nose. And the reason why I like to put the setting powder all throughout my nose is because whenever I go in with my setting powder, I mean my bronzer, it would blend more better. I don't know. Yeah, I already see the difference, right? Like, it just blends in more even. Take my powder all the way up into the center of the very front of my eyebrows and under it as well. So right here. So my eyebrow pencil that I will be going in with is my Precisely My Brow pencil, and I really like this pencil. I've been using it for a very long time, so yeah. And with my eyebrow step, all I do is, you know, draw in my eyebrows, and I don't conceal it because I don't like the look of it anymore, so I don't do no cleanup. But y'all, another tip is to get your eyebrows waxed. My eyebrows is not waxed, but if your eyebrows is like freshly waxed and then you do this, it's gonna look so much better, I'm telling you. So as you can see, what I did, I just put a line under my eyebrows and a line on top, and I just slightly, like a slightly shade in like the end of my eyebrows, but not too much. And I like did the very beginning of my eyebrows, and then I just take this as a blending, the spoolie part, and I take it as a blending thing. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Keep my eyebrows in place, technically. The best part of my makeup is my blush, and a lot of people compliment about my blush. And what I use is a regular eyeshadow brush. I use the Artistry Vote palette by Melissa, and I'm using the orange and the pink shade right here, and I kind of mix it But I usually mostly use the orange shade. And I just put the blush right here on my face. So next what I do is take my NYX lip liner in the shade brown, I believe. No, cappuccino. And then I take my butter gloss from NYX. I forgot the shade of this one. Oh, Madeline. I have a lip tutorial on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave that down below as well, so you guys could check out my lip combo. So my lip is very simple. I just outline my lips. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my makeup, my new makeup routine. I really love my makeup, and I don't ever think I'm gonna ever change it. Like, what is there to change, boo? Like, this is very flawless. And just when your natural oils and everything start to really kick in, it's gonna look way more like put together. Like right now it looks freshly done, but I'm telling you, like in a few more minutes, or sometimes what I like to do is, you know, go in with the setting whatever, and you know, just let it marinate, and it's gonna cook in a little bit. Y'all already know. But other than that, y'all, comment down below what you guys like, and I hope you guys actually use my makeup routine tips and whatever. Tag me in your videos, because I want to see if, you know, if it worked out for you guys. Ooh, sorry y'all. But other than that, y'all, comment down below what you guys like about my new makeup routine, because I really like it so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bye y'all.